We have suspended our normal programming because of a recent event. Stay tuned for more information. We have a message from the Solar Friend Group that Lohwi blocked the host and team leader on September 29, 2024, causing him stress and anxiety. Many members of the Solar Friend Group are now taking action immediately after this event. Many members, including the host, is now apologizing to the person who blocked Solar. Coda have an information about Solar saying that he was caught using AI of Lohwi, and then started a war. As Solar's stress worsened, the situation keeps getting even more worse. Over 2 of Coda's friends have blocked him. Solar is now removing clips that has AI instead of taking it down, and then re-uploading it. When Lohwi accepts Solar's apology, we will be back again. But today, Solar will be shut down. We and Solar thank you for your support for all of these times.